Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus CT200h versus HS250h. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, helping you decide which luxury hybrid best suits your needs. The CT200h is known for its sporty, compact design, while the HS250h offers a more traditional sedan experience with added space. Let's dive into the details of these two efficient vehicles. When it comes to performance and efficiency, these models differ significantly. The CT200h with its 1.8-liter engine delivers an impressive 42 miles per gallon combined, making it highly economical. The HS250h, featuring a more powerful 2.4-liter engine, provides 35 miles per gallon combined, offering a balance of power and fuel savings for a larger vehicle. Inside, both Lexus models offer premium comfort, but with different philosophies. The CT200h presents a sportier, more compact cabin, ideal for urban driving. The HS250h, being a larger sedan, provides greater rear legroom and a more expansive feel, often equipped with additional luxury features as standard. Both prioritize a refined driving environment. The driving experience also sets these two apart. The CT200h is known for its nimble handling and engaging feel, perfect for those who enjoy a more dynamic ride. The HS250h, conversely, prioritizes a plush, quiet, and comfortable journey, ideal for longer commutes or family use. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on your personal driving preferences and space requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.